Hello friends, today we will solve Geek for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is C++ string. So now we open this question. So the question is C++ string. Given two integers s1 and s2, you have to concatenate both the string and print concatenated string. Now we see first example. So the first example is first string is geeks for and second string is geeks. So output is geeks for geeks concatenate string 1 and string 2. So combine geeks for and geeks. Now we see second example. So the second example is first string is practice and second string is hard. So the output is practice hard. Combine practice and hard. So your task, you don't need to read input or print anything. Complete the function concat which accept two string s1 and s2 as an input parameter and return concatenated string. So here we can use two simple approach. First approach will be here we simply return s1 plus s2 and code will be successfully compiled and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. And second method for this question is here we use predefined methods of string. So we use concat methods of string. So now we use s1 dot concat here we pass second string s2. Now we again compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run again. Now we submit all this code. So the code is successfully compiled and run and all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.